In today's video, I'm going to show you N8N review, honest breakdown of the open source Powerhouse. N8N is a workflow automation tool built around a fair code open source model, meaning you can self-host the software, inspect or modify the source, and maintain control over your data. For many users, especially developers or tech-savvy teams, this offers a powerful alternative to cloud-hosted tools that lock you in or hide costs. One of the biggest pluses of N8N is its integration, power, and flexibility. Users report hundreds of pre-built integrations nodes for common services like Google Sheets, Slack, OpenAI, databases, webhooks, etc., plus custom code support JavaScript or TypeScript when you need special logic. That lets you build quite complex or unusual workflows. The self-host option helps with data sovereignty and cost, especially for heavy use. However, it isn't sugar-coated. There's a fairly steep learning curve, particularly if you aren't used to APIs, JSON, or scripting. Beginners may feel overwhelmed by the interface, node logic, error handling, and somewhat inconsistent user experience when going beyond basic workflows. The self-hosting path adds infrastructure complexity. You need to manage servers, ensure uptime, deal with scaling, backups, etc. Pricing or licensing issues also come up. While the community or self-host version is appealing and free of licensing costs, many advanced features are behind paid cloud or enterprise tiers. New self-hosted business plans as of mid-2025 include execution-based fees, which for larger operation volumes can make costs climb significantly even though you're using your own infrastructure. Some users feel this reduces the advantage of self-hosting if you also have to pay based on usage. Verdict: if you are someone who values flexibility, data, control, ability to self-host, and are willing to invest time learning, N8N is highly worthwhile. Thank you for watching this video.